What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video, and today we're doing some more S14 content. But before we go ahead and get started, let's go ahead and do a little flashback to 2 weeks ago. I'm about to sell these pink gram lights tomorrow, so here's a final send with the gram lights. As y'all just saw, we sold the pink gram lights. I'm sorry to everyone that was a fan of it, but today we got something even better. I imported my favorite set of wheels of all time to the US, and today they have arrived. Let me go ahead and grab them for you guys. Unless you guys have literally been living under a rock, you guys know exactly what wheels they are. Let me show you guys the new wheels for the S14. Yes, I did it. Your boy imported Blitz 03's from Japan. Now let me go ahead and tell you guys the specifics of how I got them and how much and what specs they are. So as you can see, these wheels aren't in the best condition. Well, these pairs are in pretty good condition. These are super rusty and filthy and absolutely disgusting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be taking the faces from these wheels and completely rebuilding them to put them on the S14. So these are 17-inch faces. I'm gonna go ahead and step lift them to 18s because I think 18s look good on any car. And so today we're gonna go ahead and disassemble the faces from these wheels so that we can ship them out and get them refinished, because look at that. That is so disgusting.
I think you have to sand these bumps down. Like, these don't have it, but these do.
Yeah, I'm gonna let the refinishing guys do that because I don't want to mess these faces up because they're pretty expensive. So I got this set for about, I want to say $3,200. So these pair I got for $1,600, and these I got for about $2 grand. So never mind. I got them both for $3,600. Am I doing the math right? Yeah, $3,600. Sorry guys, apparently that college education ain't paying off. We're gonna go ahead and test fit these wheels on the car today so that we can measure out what specs we need, what lips we need to order, so your boy can rebuild the wheels. All right, Nick, you ready to help me put these on the car?
Yes.
What's the first step?
Take out these wheels.
Yep, and we need to jack it up. Can you grab it? Is it too heavy?
Yeah. Whoa, wait. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
You're a samurai now?
I'm Thor.
Jack her up, Nick. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm gonna be doing. Oh, I gotta go higher. Woo! I'm falling.
You're just hanging in the air. Oh my god, that looks so freaking good. Let me know what you guys think about the Blitz 03 so far. We haven't even rebuilt them, and that looks absolutely fire. Nick, come over here. What you think? Fire? But we're already running into some issues. If you look in here, the inner barrel is hitting the coilovers, which is why we need to rebuild them. So sadly, we have to pull off this mint condition one to put on the rusty old ones because I think the inner barrel on the other one is smaller, maybe. Let's see. Maybe, but that's gonna be so close. Fuck it, let's test it out. Let's see if they clear. You know what, before I go ahead and lower the car, let's put on the rear ones. All right, we got the rears on. they clear the coils way easier than the fronts. Look at that. I could fit like half of my fist in there. But let's go ahead, stack up some books and lower this car and see how she looks. Please do not try this at home. I don't have wood blocks, so I have to use this stack of books right here. All right, y'all, we got the jack fully off, and this is how she looks like with the new Blitz, baby. As you can see, the front, absolutely garbage, trash fitment, and let's check out the rears. Also, absolutely garbage and trash fitment. So let's bust out a ruler, measure to see what size lips and barrels we need to buy for the new Blitz. We're gonna need about 2.5 inches in order to get it sitting nice, and it rubs on the inner barrel, so let's measure how much we have to go in from the inner barrel. For the inner barrel, we gotta take off about 1 inch, so let's go ahead, take off these wheels and start measuring what the current specs are. You know what, guys, before I go ahead and take off the Blitz, let's shoot some quick cinematics of the Blitz on the S14, since I probably won't be able to see this again for like a month and a half while I wait for parts to come in. So, cue the cinematics, baby. I just went ahead and took the Blitz off of the car and put back on the stock wheels, and so now is the time to start disassembling the wheels, which is what I'm not looking forward to because 2 of the wheels are so rusty. So hopefully no bolts are stripped, but to help me disassemble it, I bought a little something from Amazon. Let's go ahead and open it. I see everyone who rebuilds wheels using these, so I figured why not buy one? Here it is, baby, a wheel roller. So you put your wheels on this and then this spins, so you can spin the wheel at the same time you're tightening the bolts. In case you guys want to buy one of these, I'll leave a link in the description below, so check it out. You see this? The wheel's just spinning. This thing is super dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble this. I think it's just all these nuts and bolts right here. It's a star bit and a 10mm. This wheel should be easier because it's not rusted, but who knows? Stuff always goes wrong when I'm working on cars. Let's find out. I just managed to get all the hardware off. Man, these things were on tighter than I thought. So now I gotta find a way to pull these faces off. I'm thinking of just putting a blanket down and then jumping on the faces just to see if it pops out. All right, attempt number 1. Yes, sir, we got it right out. Look at that, she's out, baby. Wheel number 2. Oh. Fucking rusty piece of shit. You made me do it. What? Wheel number 3. All right, last wheel. Give her a quick slap with this hammer. Nothing? What? There we go. Alright guys, last face is officially off. This one's a little ugly, look at that. Here's the aftermath of disassembling the wheels. We got hella rusty bolts and nuts. I'm probably gonna trash everything. So the only thing we're keeping from this set of wheels is actually just the faces. So we're gonna pretty much toss all those lips and barrels. They're no good. They're 17s anyway, so they wouldn't even work if we wanted to use them. So now the next thing we need to do is clean up, get these wheels all ready to ship out because we're going to ship them out to get refinished. Let's get them packaged up. Alright boys, I went ahead and got the faces all shipped out, and now we just gotta be patient and wait until they're fully refinished. And I'm gonna go ahead and order the new lips and barrels so we can rebuild them as soon as the faces come in. But like always, make sure to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.